Hook ever looked up at the sky and thought, could I build something that flies? What if that something was small enough to fit in your garage? Well, today, I've got some incredible stories for you. Hey there, sky dreamers and flight fanatics. I'm here to take you on a journey into the fascinating world of the smallest homemade airplanes ever built. These pint-sized marvels aren't just mechanical curiosities. They're symbols of creativity and courage. From backyard builds to record-breaking microjets, these flying machines prove that bigger isn't always better. Let's start with a legend, the Stitz SA2 Sky Baby. Built in 1952 with a wingspan of just 7 feet 2 inches, it once held the title of the world's smallest airplane. It looked like a toy but flew like a champ, stunning crowds wherever it went. Then came the Star Bumblebee 2, which made aviation history in 1988 with a 5 foot 6 inch wingspan, the smallest piloted plane ever. Though its journey was short-lived after a crash, its record still stands as a triumph of engineering. Over in France, Michel Colomban's Cri-Cri shocked the aviation world as the smallest twin-engine aircraft. The BD-5 Micro took sleek to a new level. With a futuristic look and even a role in a James Bond film, this aircraft married sci-fi aesthetics with serious speed. If you like things breezy, the airbike might be your style. A minimalist ultralight that feels like riding a bicycle through the clouds. Or check out the Laser Series 2, a twin-engine ultralight with transparent wings and smooth gliding performance. The Tira, built from scrap parts on a Finnish farm, reminds us that genius can take flight from even the humblest beginnings. And the Skycraft Scout, a backyard-built microplane, helped bring affordable aviation to the masses. Italy's quirky Baggio Il Gallo looks like a flying chicken coop but flies like a dream, while the BK-1 by Bruce King delivers go-kart-style fun in the sky on a budget. Fast forward to today, and we've entered sci-fi reality with the Jetson ONE, a vertical takeoff electric aircraft you can fly without a license. Or the Stargate YT-33, a jet-powered home-built for Top Gun thrills. From the jet-powered Cri-Cri, the world's smallest jet, to the beloved Hummingbird and Legal Eagle, ultralights continue to evolve. Stylish, accessible, and often legal to fly without a license. Other standouts include the Aerolite 103, the water-ready Fly Nano, the funky Pterodactyl Ascender, the ultra-compact Sky Pup, and the wild-looking Sky Cycle. Whether you want to float in the air like the Sparrow, buzz low in the Zigolo MG-12, or cruise short distances in a futuristic Ego One, there's a tiny aircraft out there for every kind of pilot. From garage-built gliders to jet-powered rockets, these tiny planes show us that the dream of flight isn't reserved for massive airports or million-dollar jets. It's alive in backyards, sheds, and small workshops, powered by passion, creativity, and a little bit of madness. So next time you look to the skies, remember, some of the coolest things up there are the smallest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing aviation stories. See you in the skies. Welcome back, future aviators. Let's dive deeper into the world of DIY aviation. We'll explore more incredible stories and innovations that have shaped this fascinating hobby. From the early pioneers to the latest advancements, there's so much more to discover. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind these amazing flying machines and the passionate individuals who build them. Our journey begins with the early pioneers, visionaries like Alberto Santos Dumont, who built and flew some of the first heavier-than-air aircraft in the early 1900s. His daring spirit and innovative designs laid the groundwork for countless tinkerers and dreamers to follow. Fast forward to the 1970s, and we meet Burt Rutan, a true maverick in the world of home-built aircraft. His Variez, a sleek canard pusher, revolutionized the DIY aviation scene with its unique design and unmatched performance. Rutan's contributions didn't stop there. His forward-thinking approach paved the way for modern experimental aircraft builders. But it's not just about the famous names. DIY aviation thrives on the passion of everyday builders who pour their hearts into their creations. Take Bob Hoover, who constructed the incredible Revolver, a home-built aerobatic plane that showcased his engineering prowess and love for flight. In recent years, advancements in technology have opened new doors for DIY aviation. The advent of 3D printing has allowed builders to create intricate components with precision and ease. Meanwhile, electric propulsion systems have brought a new era of eco-friendly flight, making the dream of personal aviation more accessible than ever. One standout story is that of Peter Schriepol, a YouTube sensation known for his inventive and often whimsical DIY aircraft projects. From cardboard planes to electric VTOLs, Peter's creations capture the imagination and inspire a new generation of builders. And let's not forget the communities that support and nurture this passion. Online forums, makerspaces, and aviation clubs provide invaluable resources and camaraderie for DIY enthusiasts. These networks are the lifeblood of the hobby, fostering collaboration and innovation. As we look to the future, the possibilities for DIY aviation are limitless. With advancements in materials, technology, and knowledge sharing, the sky is truly the limit. Whether you're dreaming of building your own aircraft or simply fascinated by the ingenuity of others, the world of DIY aviation has something for everyone, so thank you for joining us on this journey through the skies. Remember, every great flight begins with a single step, or in this case, a single spark of creativity. Keep dreaming, keep building, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one soaring through the clouds in your own homemade marvel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible stories from the world of aviation. See you in the skies. Welcome back, aspiring aviators. In this chapter, we'll take a closer look at the technical aspects of building your own aircraft. We'll cover the essential tools, materials, and skills needed to get started. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a curious beginner, this guide will provide valuable insights and tips to help you on your journey. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Basic hand tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers are essential, but you'll also need some specialized equipment. A good set of aviation snips, a rivet gun, and a torque wrench will be invaluable as you start assembling your aircraft. Don't forget safety gear like goggles and gloves to protect yourself during the build. Next, we'll dive into the materials. Aircraft-grade aluminum is a popular choice for home-built planes due to its strength and lightweight properties. Composite materials such as fiberglass and carbon fiber are also commonly used for their durability and ease of shaping. If you're venturing into the world of 3D printing, high-quality filament is crucial for creating precise components. Now let's discuss the skills you'll need to hone. Basic mechanical skills are a must, but you'll also benefit from learning some advanced techniques. Metalworking, welding, and composite fabrication are all valuable skills that will come in handy. Additionally, understanding aerodynamics and aircraft design principles will help you create a safe and efficient flying machine. One of the best ways to develop these skills is through hands-on experience. Joining a local aviation club or participating in workshops can provide you with practical knowledge and mentorship from experienced builders. Online resources such as tutorial videos and forums are also excellent for learning new techniques and troubleshooting issues. Remember, building your own aircraft is a rewarding yet challenging endeavor. Patience and perseverance are key. Every step you take, every part you assemble brings you closer to making your dream a reality. So, gather your tools, materials, and skills and get ready to embark on this incredible journey. Thank you for joining us in this chapter of our DIY aviation adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and stories from the world of home-built aircraft. Until next time, happy building and see you in the skies. Welcome back, fellow aviation enthusiasts. To wrap up our journey, we'll showcase some of the most inspiring DIY aviation projects from around the world. These stories of innovation, perseverance, and creativity will leave you motivated to start your own project. First, let's travel to New Zealand, where a dedicated hobbyist named Mark built a fully functional replica of a World War I biplane. Using traditional woodworking techniques and modern materials, Mark's project took over 5 years to complete. His attention to detail and commitment to authenticity are truly awe-inspiring. Next, we'll head to the United States to meet Sarah, a high school teacher who built an ultralight aircraft with her students. This project not only taught valuable STEM skills but also fostered a sense of teamwork and achievement. The joy on their faces as the aircraft took its maiden flight is a testament to the power of hands-on learning. In Brazil, we find João, an aviation enthusiast who turned his backyard into a mini aircraft factory. Using 3D printing technology, João has designed and built several small aircraft, each one more advanced than the last. His innovative use of technology showcases the endless possibilities in DIY aviation. Lastly, we'll visit Japan, where a retired engineer named Kenji has created a unique blend of art and aviation. His aircraft are not just functional but also beautifully designed, incorporating elements of traditional Japanese art. Kenji's creations remind us that aviation can be a form of artistic expression. These incredible stories show that with passion, creativity, and determination, anyone can achieve their aviation dreams. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to DIY aviation. Happy flying! Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of home-built aircraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories and practical tips. Until next time, keep dreaming big and see you in the skies.